Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find or recover your Phantom wallet.
And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back.
Say, for example, you already have your Phantom wallet logged into a web browser or your phone. Okay, you wanted to find your private key or seed phrase to be able to log into a different device. Okay, so how do we do that? So first up, you're going to want to go ahead and go to the top left and tap on your account. Okay, now go ahead and tap on the edit button right here or the pencil icon. Now what you'll do is just tap on either show recovery phrase or show private key. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on show recovery phrase, tap on I understand, and hit on continue. Now in this section, just go ahead and basically copy to clipboard, or if you already have your recovery phrase saved on a safe place, you can go ahead and recover it or get it. And then to simulate that we're going to sign into a different device or maybe a browser, I'm going to open up a web browser in here. Okay, now let's go ahead and find the three dots and tap on extensions right here. Click on visit Chrome web store. Now I'm going to go ahead and find Phantom like so. Click on it, add to Chrome, add extension, or it can be add to Firefox in your case or some other browser. Okay, so do keep in mind that we have copied our recovery phrase, right? So I'm going to go ahead and tap on I already have a wallet right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap on either. As you can see here, we have import recovery phrase or import private key. I'm going to go ahead and select this option. Now just paste it. All right, and once done, just tap on import wallet like so. And as you can see here, it says we found one account. Just go ahead and tap on view account or just basically tap on continue. Now you're going to want to add in a password for this specific browser only. Okay, type down your password, tap on agree right here, hit on continue, wait for the process to finish. And in no time, you're all ready. You can now fully enjoy your Phantom wallet. Just tap on get started and here you have it. Okay, you can close this one and open Phantom wallet right here under your extensions tab. Just click on it and again, you're good to go. That is how you recover your Phantom wallet. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.